huge agricultural subsidies provided by certain richer economies distort global markets and make it impossible for farmers in the developing countries to compete. Third, the new and breakthrough agricultural technologies and techniques must be consciously applied to enhance food production, ensure efficient usage of water and land, and above all, improve seed quality. IFAD and the FAO can play a major role in this context. Fourth, the adoption of digital technologies is as vital in agriculture as in other economic sectors. Ensuring internet and broadband access to the rural areas will be vital for their integration into national and global supply chains. Fifth, and perhaps the most important, we must rethink our patterns of food consumption and production. We can eat better, and many of us would do well to eat less. We can produce food with greater respect for nature. We can stop the pollution of our lakes, rivers, and oceans. We can produce more with less water and without dangerous chemicals. I further propose that a new strategy for sustainable food production and consumption should be considered and adopted at the Food Systems Summit next year. Excellencies, in Pakistan, we have integrated the Sustainable Development Goals into our National Development Plan. My government has accorded the highest priority to achieve SDG 1, which is no poverty, and SDG 2, zero hunger. Despite our financial difficulties during the COVID-19 pandemic, we provided a relief package of around $8 billion. It included emergency cash assistance to the poorest families and other vulnerable groups, including women and children. We did so through our ESAS program, which means compassion, fully utilizing digital technologies and databases. This was the largest poverty alleviation program in Pakistan's history. Agriculture sector, which had to grapple with the twin challenges of COVID-19 and locust attacks, which we were subjected to last year. But it continues to have my utmost attention. Budgetary allocation has been increased almost 3 times. Growth target for the current year has been set at 3.5%. We are also engaged in one of the largest reforestation programs in the world. We plan to plant 10 billion trees over the next 3 years. We will also set aside 8 large areas as national reserves or national parks. Under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, agricultural modernization has been included as a vital element of our development strategy. This will move us significantly towards combating hunger and poverty. Excellencies, the national efforts of developing countries like Pakistan to promote sustainable development and eliminate poverty and hunger can only succeed through international cooperation. We desire such cooperation with all countries. We greatly admire the role played by IFAD in promoting such cooperation. I wish you all the success in the important deliberations of your current session. I thank you.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान का गवर्निंग काउंसिल इजलास से वर्चुअल खिताब बैनुल-अक़वामी ज़रई तरक्याती फ़ंड के ज़ेर एहतमाम इसका इनेकाद किया गया था। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान के वर्चुअल खिताब में उनका ये कहना था कि कोरोना के बाद बहुत से मुल्कों में हालात कशीदा हैं और अभी मज़ीद कशीदगी का भी ख़तरा है। ज़राअत इंसानी बका के लिए, क़हत से बचाव के लिए बेहद ज़रूरी है। 10 करोड़ बच्चे ग़िज़ाई क़िल्लत के बाइस मसाइल का शिकार हो जाते हैं। हमें मुस्तक़बिल के चैलेंजेस से निमटने के लिए मनसूबा बंदी की ज़रूरत है। 5 निकाती एजेंडा उन्होंने दिया जिससे बचा जा सकता है। ज़राई तरक्की में बेहतरी लानी है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को बेहतर करना है, कीमतों को खुराक